Huawei's latest flagship, the Mate 70 series, has generated significant buzz since its recent launch, with the company reporting strong demand. According to Huawei executive Ying, the response has exceeded expectations. But what exactly is driving this demand, and are there underlying challenges that could affect the Mate 70's success? Let's dive into the details. Ying's statement about the overwhelming interest in the Mate 70 series has been met with cautious optimism by analysts, who have a different take on the matter. While it's true that the Mate 70 has sparked interest, some suggest that the excitement surrounding this new release doesn't quite match the fervor for its predecessor, the Mate 60 series. The Mate 60 series, which saw massive success, especially in China, set a high bar. It marked Huawei's triumphant return to 5G connectivity after being sidelined for years due to US sanctions. These sanctions had severely impacted Huawei's operations, making the Mate 60's 5G capabilities an even more significant milestone. Now, with the Mate 70 series, the company is facing new challenges. Despite the promising start, reports indicate that Huawei's supply chain is struggling to keep up with demand. Initial production numbers reportedly fell short, forcing the company to increase manufacturing. Analysts point to deeper issues, particularly bottlenecks in chip production, which could impede Huawei's ability to meet the rising demand and fully capitalize on the Mate 70's early popularity. One standout feature of the Mate 70 series is the debut of HarmonyOS Next, Huawei's latest operating system. Unlike previous versions of HarmonyOS that were based on Android, HarmonyOS Next is a completely new system, marking a significant shift for Huawei. This change comes as Huawei faces mounting restrictions from Google, particularly with recent changes to Android's licensing requirements that could permanently exclude the company from accessing the platform. HarmonyOS Next could be Huawei's long-term strategy for independence from the Google ecosystem, ensuring that the company's future devices are not reliant on Android. However, there's still uncertainty about whether HarmonyOS Next will make its way to Huawei smartphones outside of China. Fans and analysts are eagerly speculating on the company's global strategy, as Huawei has not confirmed whether the Mate 70 series will launch internationally. What's clearer is that Huawei is planning to unveil the Mate X6, a foldable device, at a global event in Dubai on December 12. The international debut of the Mate X6 raises the possibility that the Mate 70 could follow suit, although there has been no official confirmation yet. For now, Huawei's global strategy remains shrouded in mystery, leaving fans and analysts alike guessing about what the company will do next. While the Mate 70 series has generated impressive demand, challenges such as production bottlenecks and chip shortages could affect its success. At the same time, the introduction of HarmonyOS Next suggests that Huawei is positioning itself for a future that is less dependent on Google's ecosystem.